Hi, my name is Caroline and I lived in several countries around the world, and everywhere I go I keep hearing the same problem. People are feeling this deep need to restore their connection with themselves, the food that they eat and their environment. It is a big problem, so where do we start? Believe it or not, it all starts with the bees. Bees are not just beautiful beings, they're also responsible for 70 to 90% of the pollinations of flowers and fruits around the world. Without the bees, the plants that we and other species eat are no more. And the scary part is the bee population is decreasing really fast. But there is a solution. Bee Smart Garden is an initiative to improve the bee population by connecting people and plants. For example, we've teamed up with Flower Care. This is a technology that gives voice to the plant by telling us what it needs. Things such as water, soil temperature, nutrients, and light. But it's much bigger than that. The purpose of Bee Smart Garden is to connect partners and bring solutions that connect people and plants and improve the bee population. So now it is up to you. Are you ready to be smart?